Hey, here we go. This is Toshiba in Facebook, and it's 2 August 11:04 a.m. And let's see here. Pull up my pictures. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. All right. So I change hands, and so it's not expecting to work, and it doesn't have the tuning knob thing, but I bought it that way. Bought it basically for parts to maybe get another one in the future and make it work with parts from this one. So here we go. This is what it looks like that I won for very little money, but then had to pay shipping from Japan. Understand? From Bai, Japan. So there's that. Missing that. Looks like that, which is good. And then there. It's got the full antenna, which is good. It's got the battery cover, which is good. It's got that. It's got that. And it's, it looks like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this here and then come back and do that. So here, just dance around the room will be, okay, so gotta go. Alright, so putting it all in here. Here's the box on the floor. Alright, with the other things I recently unboxed that, got that a few days or whenever, and got these other things and other projects. Battery's running low in the camera, so gotta be quick. Here's where the thing is going to go high. Okay, so now let me put this on a tripod. Give me a minute to say the same thing to the Facebook people and then come back to you all and start doing this. I've got the scissors, flip that around. Okay, I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Where are the scissors? There they are. They're right there. Okay, great. Right back. Okay, so now. Going live. Okay. Going live. And going live. Okay, it's 11:06, August 2. 11:06, August 2. Alright, 2026. There's that. We're live. Okay, I'm trying to talk loud. So here is the RT-200S, also known as the RT-77. Yeah, RT-S77. Okay, so let's go back. There's the part number, RT-S77, also known as the RT-200S, or S200, whatever. Alright, so it's got the antenna. It's missing the, whatchamacallit there, the tuning knob. Okay, looks like that. Got a good head, that's great. The listing says not expected to work, and that's all we know. So now we're going to run from here. Don't need that. Just pan around the room so we know we're in the room. There's the room. Okay, good. There's that. Put this thing in here. Already did that. There's going to go on that. Right. Here's the other one I told him to wait. Right. So here I'm telling you to wait. Okay, you're back. I'm back. There's the box. I'm going to unbox right there. We got a good signal, I hope. Here's the one I unboxed a few days ago. That one. That and this and whatever. So you just put this up here on the thing. Alright. Drop it in here. Okay. This is Sunday. Okay, so alright, so now okay, so there's that. That's pretty close. Okay. So just okay, I got a good power cord right here. It's powered on, so and then the other thing is that this one when I got it, well, it was rattling. It's a rather bent box, but whatever. So I can see myself, right? I can see myself in that one. Okay, so anyway, it was rattling earlier, but it's not rattling now. But anyway, it's just a odd shaped, very dented box, but not. It's like they'd packed it small, put it in too big of a box, so then it can. Well, that's why it's rattling, because it's in here cockeyed or weepy jawed, or cross-angled, or however you want to call that. So, okay, that's why. I like doing this. Okay, so here we go. That's how they did it. They put it in a box and made it cross angles. Okay, so what was rattling in here? I don't know. Put the scissors down. Get this thing out of here. Alright, so there's that. So we got just cardboard and one thin layer of, I don't know what was rattling. Okay, so we'll just put that down. So here it is in all its glory. All the knobs are there, that's good. Still missing the tuning knob. Okay, so not rattling. Well, it's interesting. Okay, I'm not saving any of this wrapping, so we're just going to cut through it. Yeah, you just got one layer of very thin bubble wrap, basically to keep the dust out. Oh my, alright. Okay, well, okay, so put that in there. This here, yep. I need the scissors. Just not strong enough anymore. I mean, I'm strong, but I'm not going to rip this off of here, because then you rip something else off and it's like, oh. Okay, great. So just got everything here. All right. Okay, so I'm thinking about it, although it doesn't mean much. Okay, so there's that. And we got, okay, so the battery compartment is clean. There's no rust on the battery terminals. That's very good. But this is very crumbly, so try and keep all the dirt in here. Wow. Okay. Well. Gosh, it came off. It won't come out. Okay, what's going on here? This sits on that. There we go. So that's the good clips. So now give me a power cord. All right, use a power cord. Let's see what we're set up with. Turn the volume down. The volume is down. Okay. That's down. Everything's off. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so it's plugged in. Turn it on. That's okay. This is the tape. This is the beat cut. This is FM. Wait, that's okay. This should be power on. Voila. Power. We got sound. Yay! Radio. Hey. Radio works very good. That's great. Oh, that's better than I thought. So yeah, we'll turn the radio off. We'll go back in here and we'll look at the cassette player. We'll hit play. See here. Oh, got a noise, but we got, okay. All I can hear is the audio circuit. I can't hear. So hit stop. Wait. Okay, that won't work. Okay, that's. Okay, I can't hear the motor running, but then it could just be stopped up with a belt wrapped around it, so I'm okay with that. But the door opens and closes correctly, and that's about all we need to know. It's got the tape counter button here. Can't see the numbers because they're rubbed away, I guess. But yeah, so that works, And it's missing this knob. Again, that's not a big deal because this is a volume. This will be either the balance or tone, but you know, it's not a huge issue there. And this isn't either. It's just a matter of, can I find a knob to fit on there? Or I can just sit here and crank it like this and be okay. I just heard me tuning it just now briefly, but that's great. So this is better than something else that I've gotten in the past. That's all I know. So there it is. Here, I'll bring the antenna up so I can take a picture of it so briefly. Okay, so there it is. It works. Here, I started with the YouTube camera, but I'll end with this one first. So here it is. Sam, I got to get back to you on. Yeah, I got to get back to you on. What was you asking about? You asked me about the.